Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we are going to throw our awning up on our roof rack. It's the final part of our installation. I also wanted to take a minute to thank OK 4-Wheel Drive again for all their great advice. We got our rack and our awning from them, and they were very, very helpful. Be sure to ask for Chuck, same name as me, at OK 4-Wheel Drive, and he'll totally help you out, especially if you're working with a 100 Series Land Cruiser. He has one himself with the same setup, so he's very, very knowledgeable. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel, and we hope you enjoy the video. Our technique is a little bit different than what I haven't seen anybody do this, but I've heard that they put the brackets on the vehicle and then hold this up and bolt it in. We're going to put the brackets on while it's on the ground. Then we'll be able to lift the whole thing up onto the vehicle. Should be very easy. And one of us will get on one side and go up and drop the bolts in, and that'll keep it stable. Hey, this is real life, people. This is real drama. No matter how poser lander we are, this will be the coolest. This will be the coolest tailgating vehicle ever. You think that's a problem?
No.
You're just saying that so I don't obsess about it?
Yeah.
Awning bag. Alright, we're on awning bag. Alright, it says rivet gun, drill, 4.8 millimeter drill bit. Let's see if I have one of those. Place the awning bag on a flat workbench or table and open the zip. They call it the zip. Place the awning assembly into the bag. Ensure that the zip faces the bottom of the awning. Zip the awning bag up to close the bag as shown below. Drill through the awning bag. Let's just be cognizant not to move the back part of the bag. All right, now set it back down gently. Getting the holes lined up for the rivets was a total pain.
I thought I could feel it. We made a mark.
Before you drill or rivet, make sure the case is centered. Ours was a little off and the case ended up being very tight. Being tight on there. You think that's a problem?
No.
You're just saying that so I don't obsess about it?
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing we just did. We're going to drill through the holes where the mount's going to go, through the bag, and then attach the mount on. No matter how poser lander we are, this will be the coolest. This will be the coolest tailgating vehicle ever. Guess what? All we gotta do is fold it up and then lift it up onto there. Are you excited?
Very. So.
Right now we're praying our measurements are good and that this is actually gonna fit. So you know where you're going with your end, right? All right. So you want to slide? It's higher on one side than the other.
Yeah.
That's good enough because I got it on. It actually needs to go like this. Still need to work him a tiny bit. Nice. All right. Now I need to get up in here and put the washers and nuts on those guys and on these two. How much wind noise do you think this thing is going to make?
Probably a lot.
It seems pretty sturdy. All right.
Let me show you something.
Now what I gotta do, put these foamy pads. Right, this guy's hitting. The awning is installed except for this strap designed to allow you to pull it tight. I've seen a few people use just a bungee cord or like a sort of just a regular strap. Alu-Cab provide this, which you find a way to attach this to your rack. So what I'm going to do is drill 2 holes for 2 M8 bolts and just attach that on the rear slide area of the rack. This strap right here is going to be riveted. I'm going to drill a little hole in the back side of the awning rail, and this will be riveted into that. When you pull your awning, you come over and you'll slide these 2 together like this, and then you'll grab your strap and that to make it tight. So check it out, I got these holes drilled and I've got these M8 bolts I bought, drilled a hole for them. Also got these M8 nuts. So I'm gonna slide the nuts right in the last little slot, and then this will tighten up in there just like that. Ooh, shoot. The back channel, so it should fit. I was having a hard time just sliding the nut in because it's a little tiny bit narrower. I was able to slide it in up high and then just kind of thread it. Okay, the actual fitting instructions say to drill right in between these 2 stitches, and that looks like it's going to be perfect. I'm going to go drill a little hole in there that the rivet will fit through. So I did this with the bit in reverse, and just get that hole through there. Perfect. Let me show you the sweet, right? Strap is done. And there you have it. Kids come out and take a look and see what they think.
Pretty good. Now we don't have to stand in the sun anymore. Be even hotter.
And then you can pop this up. If it's windy, if you just want to, you can go. Here's the boring bee.
I don't know what's going on with it.
Putting this thing away is amazingly easy. Hey guys, thanks a lot for checking us out. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel, and please let us know if you have any questions about the awning that we chose or anything else that we've done to our Overland rig.
But it's hurt. It's like resting. But it'll eventually fly away.